Alright, if you have a first gen Toyota Tacoma 95 through 2004 with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, you will eventually have to do some work on it, and when you do, you will realize that you have the most brittle plugs on your sensors known to man. And this one is probably one of the hardest ones to find. This is the coolant temperature sensor for the gauge. This engine actually has two coolant temperature sensors, one here and one right behind the head up by the firewall. This one is the single wire coolant temperature sensor, and this one is really tough to find, and I have actually found it. Let me show you what I found. This is what I came up with. Look familiar? This is the exact plug that's in your Tacoma. This is not listed as a Tacoma part. I don't know why. Maybe it's just an error in their books, but it does not come up when you look up coolant temperature sensor. This actually can be found as a Toyota Supra 2JZ coolant temperature connector. The 2JZ is actually the style of connector, and this is exactly where I found it. Right here, 2JZ coolant temperature connector. What I did was, I got tired of just getting the runaround. Every time I looked for coolant temperature sensor pigtail, I'd get the 2-wire. But I need the single wire, but if you look up the single wire, you don't get that. You get one that looks very similar, but it won't fit your sensor. Guess how I found that out? But anyway, this is how you find it. Type into your search 2JZ GTE connector, and there it is. You can find it on eBay. I think I paid $7.99 for mine. Let's actually go look. Was it $7.99? $7.87. It's even cheaper. This is the exact one I ordered. So, mystery solved. You can fix your connector now, because it was driving me nuts. It's been driving me nuts for close to 5 years now. So, this is how you find it. This is where you get it, and I hope this information helped you out. Anyway, I'm not going to make a video on installing this. It's one wire. Looks like this little plastic retainer that sticks out is just supposed to lock it in. Looks like you would go ahead and slide the grommet on, then you would solder your connector on, and then you would pop the grommet in this back hole, and then when the connector comes up to the front, you just push in the little plastic tab, which will retain it and just keep it. And then you just put a little dab of dielectric grease, which is just it just keeps corrosion down to a minimum. You can get it at your auto parts store, and you should be good to go. And this is the exact sensor off of the truck. It does fit. So, mystery solved. Anyway, give this video a like if it was helpful. Stay tuned for more. I should have more things that I need to fix on my truck in the future, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.